If you are 3 or 4 years old, this game is just for you. Have fun.
What is the tallest animal? The giraffe. Which fruit tastes sour? The orange. Find the green car. Here is the green car. How many ducks are in the picture? There are 3 ducks. Find the number 2. Here is the number 2. Which image depicts winter? Here is the image that depicts winter. Which animal is in front of the wall? It's the cat. Find a rectangle. Here is the rectangle. Which object is sharp? The pencil is sharp. Find the 1 odd out. The bottle of milk.
Well done. You are a champion. Don't forget to put a blue thumb to this video if you liked it.